from my research notes from Serge, he also pointed out to me that there's something called the Trainium Ultra Cluster. And so this allows us to connect over 10,000 training devices in a single cluster. So what kinds of challenges come up when we're dealing with that kind of enormous scale? And what kinds of models are making use of that enormous scale?
That's a fantastic question, yes. So first of all, it was up to 10,000 training devices. It's up to 30,000 training devices today, so we keep increasing it. Let's start with the type of models that use it. When you're training a giant LLM, when talking about 200 billion parameters, or maybe even more, maybe more towards the 1 trillion parameters, you have to train on a gigantic number of devices. We're talking about tens of thousands of devices in order for your training to finish in a reasonable amount of time. What we don't want to do is train for 6 months and then we cannot iterate. We just wait for training to complete. So that's the reason that we build these ultra clusters. We want our customers to be able to get this really extremely powerful high performance computing cluster and train in reasonable time, complete and move to the next model or the next iteration of the model. And as you said, this comes with some challenges, especially the interconnect between devices. That's the reason we actually built an Amazon internal network protocol called Scalable Reliable Datagram, which allows us to automatically do traffic steering. So when we identify hotspots within the fabric, let's say a switch that got congested or anything like that, we automatically can kind of bypass the congested point and make sure that the devices still get maximum bandwidth between them. So first of all, we deploy these unique algorithms in order to automatically recover from failures and from hotspot. And the second thing that we do is that we build this infrastructure with an extremely optimized network that has zero oversubscription. So basically, you can send a packet from one training device to the other with a guarantee that you'll get the maximum bandwidth between them, and no matter what other traffic is running in the cluster, you'll still get the maximum bandwidth, and that's super critical for these workloads.